Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over my online and extra income from the month of December 2021. In case you are new here, I will do a quick little intro. My name is Layla. I have had a small online business for several years now, and I just started making money from it in 2021. Well, I've been making money from it, but a lot more in 2021, which is very exciting. And for this YouTube channel, I decided I would be sharing where that money comes from because it's quite a few sources. In regards to my online income, I also like to show my extra income, so anything outside of my business that I earn, so you can get ideas about where to make money either actively or passively. And the final thing I share are my business expenses, so you can see how much it costs to run a couple of blogs and a couple of YouTube channels. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm gonna start with my online/business income and go from smallest source to largest. First one is Etsy, and that is $3.96. I really don't make much from Etsy at all. From the whole year, I made almost $50, and I'm thinking about getting rid of my Etsy just because I don't put too much effort into it, and sometimes it can be inconvenient if something happens with like the manufacturer that I use for the stuff. But yeah, I don't make much. Anything I sell on there, I really don't profit much from it because of the way I have things set up. But hey, at least it's something. Next, I have affiliate sales. So this is probably from maybe 2 companies. I'm not sure. 2137. Not too much in affiliates. Number 3 is MEDIAVINE, which are display ads on my lifestyle blog, livinglikelayla.com. And from that one, I made $150.23. This is all pretty much passive at this point because I don't really write on that blog anymore. So I'm just letting it do what it does on its own because I just honestly don't have the time right now to focus on that. Next is Buy Me a Coffee. So I'm gonna do BMAC/support because this is mostly direct support through Venmo. And this one was pretty high for the month of December. People were definitely in the giving spirit. Thank you so much, everybody who helps me out through there. I got $392.72 in direct support. I actually got a little bit more than this, like $9 and something, but Buy Me a Coffee, like they're not paying me out, or I don't know, they told me they did and I can't find it, so I've got to figure that out and I'll add it in later. But I think this would be closer to like 400 total, which is insane. This is literally people sending me money, so thank you so much. I do count it as part of my business income because it's directly related to this YouTube channel. Next is Google AdSense, and this is YouTube, in which I earned $534.16, which is pretty good. Not my highest, but definitely a promising number. And this is going to be growing definitely for January and hopefully going forward as well. Oh, I do always like to say that I have 2 YouTube channels. However, the bulk of this comes from this channel that you're watching here. Then the final source is financial coaching. I can't fit it there. I'm happy to say that I made $650 in December from coaching. I got a couple of new clients. I had my clients that I've been working with continue to work with me, of course, and so I'm very happy with that number, and I just hope that this will continue. So if you're interested, I do have spots open. I help people to pay down their debt, to save, to budget, to do everything with finances except specifically giving you advice on investing. I can offer my opinion and such, but anyways, I will link it down below if you're interested, or if you know anybody who is interested. I do still have spots open, so let's get your money straightened out. Anyways, that's everything for online income, and if we add this all up, it comes to $1,752.44, which is crazy. And since this is the last month of the year, we can come back to the front of my notebook where I was tracking everything, and we can add that amount for December, $1,752.44. So now I can go ahead and tell you everything all together. Of course, I'll be doing like a full year update video, but I'm gonna mention it here. I can't promise that these numbers are 100% correct. I could check, but some of them may be too low, but the spreadsheet that I'm looking at right now on my phone is correct, and everything on there totals up to $15,057.97. Of course, this is pre-tax, but still, that's a lot of money in side hustle income. That makes me really happy. Up here, I wrote that my goal was 12,000, and you can see that I did go above that. All right, we can move on to extra income. As I said, this is everything outside of my online income. The smallest one was Bank of America CASHBACK. I don't use this card too much because the rewards aren't as good as my other ones. And I got $2.44. I did a LinkedIn survey. I get these occasionally in my email. That was $5. I sold something on Poshmark. Unfortunately, it wasn't part of like my Project Zero to Profit, but still, at least I sold something, and that was $28. Then Ibotta, which is a coupon app. I always have it linked down below. You get $10 if you use my code or my link. And from that, I got $34.60. Next is my Chase Flex Freedom card, so Chase Cashback, one of my favorite credit cards. It's always linked down below if you want to apply for that. I received $56.85, definitely a good month for cashback. I participated in another Nielsen study. This is like a non-invasive research study, and I've participated with them several times, and luckily I did one in October, and then they were like, after 60 days you can do it again, and they had emailed me, so I took advantage of it and went, and that was $100. Always fun to do those. And then the final one, well, I do have one more after that, but that's gonna be Discover Cashback, my Discover It card. This is also linked down below. It's a really good card. I received $166.66. I will say that $150 of this were referrals, and I got those referrals as statement credits. So all of this comes to a total of $393.55, but we're gonna go ahead and add my M1 referrals, because you guys know I've always been putting it in this section. I think going forward, I'm gonna add it to my online business income. So through M1 Finance, they have their $50 promo going on. That's actually still going on, so I can link that down below. Of course, if you use my link, you get $50. I get $50. I made $800, and this is all invested in BTI. So I'm not like actually going to be using that money, but it is invested, so it is my money, but that's a really solid amount, and I'm very happy with that number. So thank you to everybody who used my link to sign up. It's a great app if you're looking for something to invest with. So altogether, this adds up to $1,193.55. All right, and the final thing to go over, my business expenses. Something I pay for every month is Google Workspace, which I have for both of my emails, and that is $12. And then I did pay for one more thing in December, which is Tailwind, and it's like a Pinterest scheduling platform. I honestly don't really use it. I probably shouldn't be paying for this. That was $119.88 for the year, and that's it. So altogether, I spent $131.88 in business expenses. Overall, a very, very good month. As I always say, I'm so grateful for this. I'm so happy about this. It helps me out tremendously when it comes to my finances. So if there is a side hustle that you're thinking about starting, especially if it has to do with the online space, like a YouTube channel or a blog, definitely go for it, and please don't invest too much money into starting that business, because you can basically get started for free or very little and just keep on going, stay consistent with it, and then eventually you start to earn higher numbers. And then of course, when it comes to extra income, be sure you're taking advantage of all those cool apps. I have some linked down below. Take advantage of those credit cards if you're a responsible credit card user and you don't have any credit card debt. Participate in surveys, participate in research studies, and just do whatever you can to make some cash. Sell some things around the house, and everything adds up. So that is my online and extra income for the month of December. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.